Hey, what's going on YouTube? From time to time I like to provide my channel with some breaking news in the wireless industry, in the wireless sector. I've personally been a part of the industry for almost a decade now, so when cool things pop up or big news pops up, I like to cover it. So we got some big news out of Verizon today in their news center. Verizon is expanding mobile hotspot plan options so you can work and chill from just about anywhere is the headline. Now, these are mobile hotspot plans for mobile hotspot devices. It does not say that they are for the mobile hotspot on your cell phone, which wouldn't make sense anyway because most of Verizon's unlimited plans and their limited plans allow already for set amounts of hotspot usage. So these are updating plans that are available for mobile hotspot devices. So we have 4 new plans: the Essential, the Plus, the Pro, and the Premium. So the Essential is $20 a month for Verizon customers with 15 gigs of mobile hotspot data, and then you're throttled down for the rest of the billing cycle to 600 kilobits per second and 720p HD video streaming. Then there's the Plus, which jumps to $40 a month. It gives you access to 5G ultra wideband if you have a compatible smart hotspot, 50 gigs of mobile hotspot data before you're then throttled down to the 600 kilobits. And when you're on 5G ultra wideband, you're going to get 4K video streaming. When you're on 5G nationwide and 4G LTE, which are the slower version, 5G nationwide is the slower version of 5G for now. So when you're on those, you're going to be back down to 720p HD video streaming. Then there's the Pro plan for $60. It's $60 for Verizon customers, $90 if you don't have a Verizon account with your cell phone. 5G ultra wideband again, 100 gigs of premium mobile hotspot data, and then back down to the 600 kilobits per second. 4K streaming when you're on ultra wideband, 720p on 5G low band and 4G. And finally, we have the Premium Unlimited plan. That one is going to give you 5G ultra wideband access again, but this time you're getting 150 gigs of premium mobile hotspot data, 4K video streaming again on ultra wideband, 720p everywhere else. So a couple interesting things to note here. It says that if you're on the Do More or Get More Unlimited plan, you get a 50% discount on the service, just like you would if you had a smartwatch or a tablet. On those plans, you get a 50% discount on connected devices, so obviously the hotspot plans are going to qualify for that. One thing that we're going to need clarification on is right here in the description, it says the discounts on the Essential and Plus hotspot plans, which lowers the cost of those to $10 and $20 a month. So that's these first 2 plans right here, the Essential and the Plus. The Plus is going to end up being $20 and the Essential is going to end up being $10, but what we'll have to find out is if the rest of these other 2 plans qualify for that discount. At this time, it looks like they don't. So some pretty big updates to Verizon's hotspot data plans. Hopefully, pretty soon or down the road here, we're going to get, I'm hoping, updates on some of the more premium unlimited plans for the smartphones. Maybe they'll add more hotspot data, or maybe they'll have an option like T-Mobile and AT&T where they're now offering unlimited priority data on their higher end plans. So hopefully now that these updates are out of the way, maybe we'll start hearing things about that down the road. But at this point, it's all just speculation. But for now, we're getting new hotspot plans on Verizon, and it does say that those plans are available now. So it'll be interesting to see. Maybe write in the comments down below which plan you would get if you had a mobile hotspot, or maybe put in the comments if you have a mobile hotspot, are you already jumping on the upgrade bandwagon here and getting these plans? So either way, I really appreciate it if you guys would give the video a thumbs up and click subscribe down below. It really helps the channel out, and I'd really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.